Caitlin, look what you got in the mail. That's a stamp. It says Caitlin Minto. Do you want to open it? Watch, let's open it. For a sweetheart of a granddaughter. You're sunny as springtime and as sweet as can be. You're a granddaughter who's special, especially to me. Happy Easter with lots of love, Nana and Pop-Pop. Is that a card from your Nana and Pop-Pop? Oh boy, look at how pretty. Can you say pretty? You see the bunny? Say Happy Easter, Nana and Pop-Pop. Yeah. Look, you got a card in the mail. It's addressed to Kelly Minto. Let's open it. Kelly. Kelly. For a sweetheart of a granddaughter. See the bunny? Can you open it up and read it? Kelly. You're as sunny as springtime and as sweet as can be. You're a granddaughter who's special, especially to me. Happy Easter with lots of love. Your Nana and Pop-Pop. Say thank you, Nana and Pop-Pop. Okay, I'm half asleep because Mommy just woke me up from a nap. But I love you. Yeah, say I love you.